Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel Hint app subscription. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Hint app, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, there are two ways to cancel Hint subscription. So first one, you can contact their support, customer support email. So this one is the email help@hint.app, and you can just ask them to cancel your subscription, or you can do cancel your subscription yourself. So in order to do that, just go to your Play Store and just go to payment and subscription, and right under the subscription you will see all subscription that you have in your Play Store applications. And yeah, that's it. So you can just click it and manage the subscription, and under there you can cancel the subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can cancel Hint app subscription. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.